नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कोविड-19च्या या सद्यस्थितीत आपल्या शाळा बंद असल्या तरी आपले शिक्षण चालूच आहे आणि त्याच अनुषंगाने बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका शिक्षण विभाग व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटरच्या माध्यमातून व्हिडिओ थ्रू आपण आज भेटणार आहोत. मी निलिमा कदम, आपली व्हर्च्युअल शिक्षिका. आजचा विषय आपण बघणार आहोत 6वी मसावी लसावी, HCF and LCM. प्राप्त करण्याच्या अध्ययन निष्पत्ती 2 किंवा 3 संख्यांचा महत्तम सामायिक विभाजक तुम्ही काढू शकणार आहात. लर्निंग आउटकम्स of this chapter. So you can find out the HCF of given numbers. Similarly, you can explore daily life situations to involve the use of this HCF. Dear students, in the last part, we learned the different divisibility tests, right? Divisibility test for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the number in the units place is either 0, 4, 6 or 8. That means they should be in multiples of 2. Divisibility test for 3. If the sum of the digits in a number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Test for 4. If the number formed by the digits in the tens and units places of the number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Divisibility test for 5. If the last number, that is the number in the units place, if it is either 0 or 5, then the entire number is divisible by 5. बालमित्रांनो, व्हॉट इज डिव्हिजिबिलिटी? विभाज्यता म्हणजे काय? या ठिकाणी 8 या संख्येला 4 ने भागल्यानंतर 8 divided by 4. If 8 is divided by 4, here 4 2s are 8 and answer will be 0. So here we are getting this whole number and the remainder is 0. So when we divide a number by another number, if the remainder is 0, then that number is divisible by the other number. So when dividing by a certain number, we get an answer as a whole number and remainder is 0. This is divisibility. आपण थोडंसं भाज्य, भाजक, भागाकार, बाकी याबद्दल जाणून घेऊ. When we divide 11 by 4, the 11, the number that is to be divided is called dividend. हा झाला भाज्य. 11 हा या ठिकाणी झाला भाज्य. By which number we divide, that is called divisor, that is 4. हा झाला भाजक. आणि जे उत्तर मिळालं आपल्याला, भागाकार जो आला, that is a quotient. आणि जी बाकी राहते, that is remainder. Now what are factors? Factors are what we can multiply to get the number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. When we multiplied 1 by 12, we get 12. 2 by 6, we get 12. So the numbers which we can multiply to get the desired number. And what are multiples? Multiples are what we get after multiplying the number by an integer or by another number. For example, 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, these are all multiples. Students, have you understand what is multiple and what is factor, right? So now we are going to find out the factors of the given numbers, and after finding out the factors, we have to find out common factors. And why these common factors are required? Let's see. First, we will take, for example, 9 and 12. These two numbers are there. We have to find out the factors of the given number. Now see here, 9. When we take 9 and we divide 9, suppose we divide 9 by 1. It is possible. 1 9s are 9, that is 0. When we get 0 as a remainder, at that time the divisor is called the factor of that number. So 1 is a factor. Again, 9 is also completely divisible by 3. We know that. Okay. 3 3s are 9. So remainder is 0. And 9 is also divisible by 9. 9 1s are 9. Therefore, 1, see here 1, 3 and 9. These are the factors of 9. Getting? Now, let's go for 12. Factors of 12. आपण काय म्हणतोय? विभाजक. See here, भाजक म्हणजे आपण या ठिकाणी 1 ने भागलेला आहे. भाजक ज्या संख्येने आपण भागतो तो भाजक, जेव्हा बाकी शून्य राहते निशेष भाग जातोय म्हणून त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो या ठिकाणी? विभाजक. Right? Now factors of 12. Now again you know that 1 is the factor of all numbers. Okay, so 1. Next, it is by divisibility test also you can find out it is an even number, so 2 is its factor. Divisibility test of 3, 2 plus 1 3, 3 is divisible by 3, therefore 3 is also a factor of 12. 4, yes. So which are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. The number 1 and the number itself, they are the factors of every number. Remember this. Okay. So, तर 12 चे विभाजक आपल्याला हे मिळाले. Now dear students, one more thing I will tell you. See here. How to, after finding out factors, you have to check whether the factors are correct or wrong. So 9 1s are 9 and 3 number itself 3 3s are 9. For in this case 12 1s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. You will get the pairs of these factors. Remember. Okay. Here 3 3s are 9. So we have here we have find out the factors of 9 and 12. So these are the factors of 9 and 12. Now what are the common factors? Let's find out the common factors in this. Let's find out common factors in 9 and 12. Okay, first one is 1. Next 3. See here, 3 is common and only 2 common factors are there. So we can write out common factors, that is Samayik Vibhajak, that is equal to 1 and 3. Okay. Here numbers are given 16 and 48. We have to find out the factors of 16 and 48. So factors of 16 and factors of 48. Now again with the help of divisibility test. First of all, 1 is the factor of that number. We know that. Next, it is even number, therefore 2. Now 6 plus 1, 7. So 3 is not a factor because 16 is not divisible by 3. 4, it is there. Then next 8 and 16. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay. Again I told you to check this. कसं चेक करायचं? पेअर्स, जोड्या बघायच्या. 16 1 जा 16, 8 2 जा 16, 4 4 जा 16. Okay. Now factors of 48. It is an even number. So 1, then 2, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 plus 1, 3, as 3 is there. So 1, see here 1, next 2, then 3, 48, it is divisible by 4. Now here 1 we have got, 2, 3, 4. Next 6 8 जा 48, 8 6 जा 48. Next see here 12 4 जा 48, 3 16 3 जा 48, 2 24 2 जा 48 and 48 1 जा 48. See here, if you know the tables, it is very easy to find out the factors. So factors of 12, factors of 48. See 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 and 48. Now the common factors, 1 2, common means in both the factors they should be there. दोन्ही याच्यामध्ये ते असतील ते सामायिक विभाजक. 4 8 and 16. Okay, therefore the common factors of 16 and 48 are 1 2 4 8 and 16. Okay, तर अशा प्रकारे आपण सामायिक विभाजक काढू शकतो. आता बालमित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे आपण सामायिक विभाजक काढू शकतो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट और लेट्स लर्न व्हॉट इज HCF. HCF म्हणजे काय हे आपण जाणून घेऊ. व्हॉट इज HCF? मसावी म्हणजे काय? मसावी. बालमित्रांनो, म स्टँड्स फॉर महत्तम, सा मीन्स साधारण आणि वी म्हणजे विभाजक, H highest, C common factor. Just now we have found out the common factor. Now highest common factor is called as HCF. So what is HCF? तर दिलेल्या संख्येचा मसावी काढणे म्हणजे, first of all what we have done here, we have find out, first of all we found the factors of that number. Then there are two numbers. If there are two numbers, we found common factors in them. तर दिलेल्या संख्येचा मसावी काढणे म्हणजेच काय? तर पहिले संख्यांचे विभाजक काढायचे, विभाजकांची यादी करायची, त्यातील सर्वात मोठा सामायिक विभाजक आपण शोधायचा आणि जो सर्वात मोठा सामायिक विभाजक असेल तो त्या संख्यांचा मसावी असतो. So to find out the HCF of given numbers, we make a list of the factors of the numbers and then find the greatest of that common factor, and that is HCF of that numbers. Okay. Find out the HCF of 16 and 48. Now just now we have found the factors of 16 and 48. We made the list of factors of 16 and 48. आता आपल्याला काय करायचंय HCF काढायचंय मसावी काढायचंय. So first step to find out the factors. Factors of 16, yes, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Factors of 48, just now we have done it. So these are the factors of 48. Now the common factors 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay. Now HCF. So what is HCF? Highest common factor. So which is the highest one of this? 16, and therefore 16 is the HCF of 16 and 48. Okay. Another example, 48 and 54. Okay. First step, we have to find out the factors of 48. So factors of 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Now dear students, listen. What we have to do? 1, 2, 3, divisibility test of 3, 8, 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 plus 1, 3, so 3. Then 4, yes. Then 6, 6 8s are 48. Now listen, 6 8s are 48, 8 6s are 48. Now here 4 is there. So after dividing by 4, we will get answer 12. So 12 is the factor. So 12 4s are 48. After dividing 3, we get 16. So 16 3s are 48. 24 2s are 48 and 48 1s are 48. In this way also you can find out the factors. Now factors of 54. Yes, 1. Even number, therefore 2. 5 plus 4 9. So 3 is also a factor. Now what about 4? No, 4 is not a factor of 54 because 54 is not divisible by 4. 5, no, because 5 is not in the units place, there is no 5 or no 0. 6, yes, 6 9s are 54. 8, no. 9 6 are 44. 9 is there. Then see here, which one we get? 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9. Okay. Now 9 6 are 54. 3. So 18 3s are 54. Right? Therefore 18 will be factor. By dividing by 2. So 27. And 54 1s are 54. See. Getting? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. कळले कसे काढायचे फॅक्टर्स? Okay. Now, next step, what we have to do? Common factors. So, which are the common? 1, then 2, 3, 6 and okay. So, common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now, out of these, which is the highest one? Yes, 6. And therefore, the HCF of 48 and 54 will be 6. Okay. Now, 49 and 56. Factors of 49. 1, 7 and 49. Okay. Now, factors of 56 we have to find. 1 is there. Then this is an even number. Therefore, 2 will be there. Next, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 is not divisible by 3, therefore 3 is not a factor. Next, 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. Yes, therefore 4 will be a factor. Then 5, it is not there because in the units place 6 is there. 6, no, 7, 7 8 जा 56, so 7 will be there, right? 7 will be there, 7 8 जा, so automatically 8 will be there. 9, no, now 4 is there, so 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16, 14 4 जा, then 2 means 28 2 जा 56 and 56 1 जा 56. See here. Getting? कसे काढले बघितले आपण? हा, तर 1 2 4 7 8 14 28 आणि 56 हे झाले 56 चे विभाजक. Now in this common 1 and 7, only 2 are common. Now out of these which is the highest? मोठ्यात महत्तम मोठा कोणता आहे? 7, आणि म्हणून मसावी आला 7. HCF will be 7. Okay? 120 and 144. Now this is greater number. So for this, what you have to do? You can do vertically factors and write them. Okay? So factors of 120, you can do like this. So 2, 121 जा 2 and 60. Next 2 and 30 means 30 and 2 2 जा 4. Next by 3, 3 10 जा 30. So 3 and 3 will be there factor. Next 4 will be there. 5, yes. 6, yes, because it is even number and also divisible by 3. Then 6, yes. 8. So see here, 121 जा 62 जा 340, 4 into 30, 24 into 5, 26, 15 8 जा 12 10 जा. Now factors of 144. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24 36 48 72 and 144. Okay? Now या ठिकाणी बघा, एक तुम्हाला मी सांगते आपण कसे काढू शकतो. जर तुम्हाला थोडंसं कठीण वाटत असेल फॅक्टर्स म्हणजे विभाजक शोधायला, तर आपण आणखीन एक तुम्हाला मी आयडिया सांगते. काय करायचं बघा, एक आला, एक असणारच आहे आणि 144 इट विल बी देअर. ओके, नंतर आपण बघणार आहोत 2. येस, इवन नंबर म्हणजे 2 आहे, बरोबर. आता या ठिकाणी इथे मी 144 लिहिते, म्हणजे 144 and 1 2, 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4. सियर, मी तुम्हाला एक सोपीशी पद्धत दाखवते या ठिकाणी कसे फॅक्टर्स लिहायचे. आता 144 4 4 8 आणि 1 9, इट इज डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3, देयरफॉर 3 विल बी देअर. नाउ 3 4 जा 12, 3 8 जा 24, 3 and 48. Next 4, yes, it is divisible by 4, therefore 4 3 12, 4 6 24, 36 and 4. Next, is it divisible by 4? 4 4 8 plus 1 9, yes, it is divisible by 9 because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now 6 2 जा 12, 2 राहिले, 6 4 जा 24, 24 6 जा. Now next 7, no, 8, 8 1 जा 8, 6 carry 6, 6 64, 8 8 जा 64. बघा मिळाले इथे. सो 1 144, 2 3 4 6 8, then 12 12 12 जा 144. सो 12 12 एकदाच घेणार आपण. then 18 24 36 48 72 and 144. तर अशा प्रकारे अशा जोड्या करून तुम्ही काढू शकता. आता यातले कॉमन 1 2 3 4 6 तुम्ही इथे राऊंड करून घ्या याला 1 2 3 4 आणि जे कॉमन असतील ते एकदा खाली लिहायचे 4 4 देन 6 6 मग इथे आपण 6 लिहिले. नेक्स्ट 8 8 या ठिकाणी 8 लिहिले. नेक्स्ट 12 12 सो 12. नेक्स्ट 24 and 24 सो 24. अशा प्रकारे आपण हे कॉमन फॅक्टर्स लिहून घेतले. आता यातला सगळ्यात मोठा कोणता आहे 24 and therefore the HCF will be 24. Okay, so in this way you can find out the HCF of given numbers. Now in the 6th standard you have to find out HCF of given two numbers only. Okay, for a word problem शाब्दिक उदाहरण आपण बघणार आहोत. If large square beds of equal size are to be made for planting vegetables on a plot of land 18 meters long and 15 meters wide, so what is the maximum possible length of each bed? The plot is 18 meter long and 15 meter wide. So these are the bed we have to large square beds of equal size are to be made. So what is maximum possible length of each bed? So dear friends, word maximum or highest, this is important. So maximum word is there means you have to find out the HCF of 18 and 15. Got it? So let's go for it. What we are doing? First write down the factors of 18. It is very easy. 1, then 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Common factors 1 and 3. So HCF will be equal to 3, highest, and therefore this is a word problem, so you are supposed to write the answer in words. So the maximum possible length of each bed is 3 meter. Here the unit is also you have to write the units, supposed to write units of the given example. So 3 meter, the maximum possible length of each bed is 3 meter. Two ropes, one 8 meter long and the other 12 meter long, are to be cut into pieces of the same length. What will be the maximum possible length? Again, the word maximum is there, means blindly you can go for HCF. Maximum possible length of each piece B. So you have to find out the HCF. Okay. So which numbers? 8 and 12. Let's go for it. Factors of 8. Factors of 12. Now of this, common 1, then 2 and 4, right? Now these are the common. You are writing only ones. Common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Out of these, 4 is the highest one and therefore HCF is equal to 4, and answer will be the maximum possible length of each piece will be 4 meter. Okay. More sum. see dear students, what is the sum? The number of students of standard 6 and standard 7 who went to visit the Tadoba Tiger project at Chandrapur was 140 and 196 respectively. So standard 6 students, 140 students of standard 6 went for visit to Tadoba Tiger project and 196 students of standard 7. Now the students of each class are to be divided into the groups of the same number of students so that they can help each other. Each group can have a paid guide. Now, what is the maximum number of students there can be in each group? And why do you think each group should have the maximum possible number of students? Okay. Now, see here. What is the maximum number of students there can be in each group? So, what you have to do? Yes, you have to find out the HCF. Now, dear students, factors of 140 and 196 we have to find out. So, here the number is big. So, what you have to do? 1 and 140. Then 2 will be there. So, 2 sevens are 40. 0. Next, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 0, 5. 3 is not possible. 4. 4 3s are 12. And 4 5s are 20. Yes. Then 5 it is there because in the units place 0 is there. So 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. 6. It is not divisible by 3, therefore 6. It is also not divisible by 6 also. 7. Yes, it is there. 7 2s are 14 and 0. 8. 8 1s are 8. No. Next, 10 and 14, then 12, not possible. Now see here, 14 and 10. So see here, factors we got it here. So factors of 144. Okay. Now in this way also you can find out the 140 विभाजक आपण शोधले. Factors of 140 we found. So we will write the factors of 140. Now factors of 196. So first of all 1 and 196. Then go for 2. Yes, it is there. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. 3. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6 16. No, 16 is not divisible by 3. Then 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 9s are 36. Then 5, no. 6, it is not divisible by 3, therefore also not divisible by 6. Next 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 8s are 56. Okay. Now 8. 8 2s are, no, not possible. Now next. Next, see here 1, 2, 4, 7, then 28, 49, 98 and 196. झाल्या, जोड्या मिळाल्या आपल्याला. तर अशा प्रकारे आणि 14 येणार. 14 जा 196. Therefore 14 will be there. So in this way we can find out the factors. Now common 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Okay, these are the common factors, and out of these greatest will be 28. Therefore, the maximum number of students in each group will be equal to 28. Okay. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण शाब्दिक उदाहरणं सुद्धा अशा फॅक्टर्स काढून या प्रकाराने सोडवू शकतो. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता आपण इथेच थांबणार आहोत. अशाच काही सुंदर सुंदर व्हिडिओ सहित पुन्हा भेटणार आहोत पुढच्या भागात. तोपर्यंत थँक यू. घरी राहा, सुरक्षित राहा.